In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the BIOS control solenoid in this 2008 Nissan Xterra. It's going to be about the same from 2005 to 2015. Now when these go bad, they'll start to leak unmetered air, and that causes all kinds of problems. It causes misfires, your timing is off, hydraulic control pressure system is off, causes all kinds of havoc. It's just a little like $30 part, takes about 5 minutes to change. And if you've been chasing down some misfires or rough idle or poor acceleration, chances are this little guy is what's gone bad. You just kind of pop this up on this side and then back over here, give this a little pop and remove that cover. Here's what the part looks like. It's pretty small, but it's pretty important to keep your engine running properly. So right here it is on the engine. So we have this harness right here we need to take off, 2 lines here and a 10mm screw. So the black wire harness, you just push down on this tab right here at the back. I'm just going to use a flat blade screwdriver to push it down so you can see better, and then pull it towards the front of the vehicle to relieve it. You need to remove these 2 lines, and it's easy if you take a flat blade screwdriver and push and pull the hose at the exact same time. If you just pull on the hose, you might break it. But you need something to help push and pull at the same time. So you're pushing with your flat blade, pulling with the hose. Do the same thing on this one. Push with the flat blade and pull at the same time. Now we just need to remove that bolt. And now just compare the 2 side by side before you install. And if they look exactly the same, let's go ahead and put it in. Install the 2 hoses. And when you install the hoses, hold your finger on this back side right here as you push on. If you just push without holding that, you could snap this off. Go ahead and plug in the wire harness. Make sure you hear a snap so it snaps into place. Install the engine cover. What you want to do is line up the screw holes up here, and then you're going to push down here in the back, here and here. You tighten up these 2 bolts. And that's all there is to it, guys. Only takes about 5-10 minutes to complete. Now if you do have the engine code and you have a scanner, go ahead and erase the code, drive the car, and see if it's gone away. If you don't have an engine scanner, then you should be able to drive the car for about 10 minutes. It will read itself, and if that's what fixed it, that check engine light will go off. Your car should start running a lot smoother, better idle, better acceleration, start shifting better as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.